we are going to see combustion reactions. Okay. What do you mean by combustion reactions? We have studied substitution reaction. The next one. What is the next reaction? Substitution reaction we studied first, and then the next one is think. Okay. The third one what we are studying is combustion reaction. In this reaction, how combustion takes place? What do you mean by combustion? Combustion means if a substance is heated strongly in excess of air or oxygen, then it is called as combustion. See, while combustion takes place, carbon and hydrogen which is present in the hydrocarbons will get oxidized. Okay, so hydrogen and carbon will get oxidized, and what are the things which we are getting? Carbon dioxide, water, heat and light will be produced. When enormous heat is produced, we have studied what is the reaction called? It is exothermic reaction, right? It is called as exothermic reaction. So these are the four things we will get: carbon dioxide, water, heat and light. Now the first one is CH4. What is CH4? First member of the family. Which family? Ane family. One carbon. Good. Methane. Methane plus oxygen. When it combines with oxygen, as I said, this is the general formula. Carbon dioxide, water plus heat and light. Okay. You should balance this and you should find it out how it is happening. Same way here, C2H6 plus oxygen. What is C2H6? 2 carbon. Methane, ethane. Okay. Same way, it will combust and you will get, after combustion, you will be getting carbon dioxide plus water plus heat and light. What is the C2H4? Just now we studied, no? C2H4 is which family? Ene. Which ene? Find it out. Okay? Plus oxygen, you will get the same way. Now, you have studied about LPG, no? The gas which we are using at home. What is that LPG called? Liquefied petroleum gas. Good. Same way, CNG, compressed natural gas. Okay. These two things, if you see, it is used nowadays. We are not using the wood which our forefathers and all they used only wood. They were not having which one? Liquefied petroleum gas. But nowadays we are using liquefied petroleum gas. What is the reason for that? This is also one hydrocarbon, right? When we are using LPG, what kind of flame will come? How many of you have checked that what kind of flame, what color flame will be getting? It is blue flame. When we are lighting a candle, when you light a candle, what happens? Which color flame will come? Blue color or yellow color? Yellow color flame will come. Okay, so there are two flames, blue color flame as well as yellow color flame. Sometimes in LPG also, when we are using, the flame will be yellow in color. Do you know the reason for that? The reason is, in the burner, holes will be there. What is the use of that holes? Those holes are used to get air, oxygen. Okay, when it is burning, when combustion is happening, it needs some oxygen. Then only it will be complete combustion. Otherwise, it will be incomplete combustion. In case if incomplete combustion happens, the flame will be in which color? Yellow color. So, candle flame is incomplete combustion. That is the reason it is yellow in color. But LPG, it will be blue in color. In case if you are getting yellow color flame, it means that some blockage is there and it is not getting proper oxygen. So what should we do? We should clean the burner. No, then you will get the blue color flame. Good. So blue color flame, and sometimes it will be yellow in color. It is because of incomplete combustion. Now you go and check what is there in LPG. Okay, which hydrocarbon is there in LPG and what is the proportion? Find it out. For next class, you should be ready with the answer. Okay, now candle flame will be yellow in color and the soot also will be produced because of incomplete combustion. We have studied about two types of hydrocarbons, aliphatic hydrocarbons and aromatic hydrocarbons. Under aromatic, you have studied one example. What is that? Good, benzene. What is the formula for benzene? C6H6. Very good. So now, aliphatic hydrocarbons, they will have carbon content. If you see, when you compare these two things, in aliphatic hydrocarbons, the carbon content will be less, and that is the reason blue color flame will be produced. Okay. But in the other case, in aromatic hydrocarbons, the carbon content will be more, so it will not be able to burn the whole thing. So it is incomplete combustion and you will get yellow color flame. This is one difference for blue flame and yellow flame. Okay. Complete combustion, if it takes place, you will get blue color flame, and if it is incomplete, it is called it will give which color flame? Yellow color flame. And nowadays we are not using wood, no? Why? Actually hydrogen and carbon are more, but the amount of air what they need to get, no, that they are not getting. That is the reason if you cook in LPG, no, you can sing and you can cook, because there will be no fumes, and so what happens, you can enjoy cooking. But in the olden days and all, if you see, they will be using wood. What happens? The soot coming out will be more and smoke and all will come out. It is because of incomplete combustion. Okay. So here complete combustion, that's the reason we are not getting any smoke. Okay. We will see the difference between when wood is used, no, the wastage will be more. Incomplete combustion will be more and wastage will be more, and it may lead to pollution. What kind of pollution? We know that for pollution, the oxides of nitrogen and oxides of sulfur are playing a major role, because we used to get NO, NO2, SO2, SO3 and all oxides of nitrogen and sulfur. This is because of pollution which is produced by the unwanted pollutants. Okay. Now, we should also know about coal and petroleum. In your lower classes you have studied, but still a brush up of what is coal and what is petroleum. How will we get coal? Millions of years ago. We have one story, no? Okay. Millions of years ago, what happens? The remains of plants and trees, what happened? Due to calamities like volcano eruption, earthquake and all, what happens? The whole thing will get disturbed and it will go inside. Correct? When it went inside, they went very deep. And due to high temperature and pressure, what happened? What happened inside due to high temperature and pressure? Slow combustion took place. And coal is produced, and from where will we get coal? From coal mines. Okay. So they are in coal mines. This is how coal we are getting from coal mines because of this problem. Now petroleum. Petroleum also we are getting now. From where do we get petroleum? Okay. Millions of years ago, what happened? Marine animals. Same problem happened. The marine animals, they sank into the seabed, and because of high pressure and temperature, with the help of bacteria, what happened? They are converted into crude oil and gas. And now we are getting it from reservoirs, correct? No? Petroleum reservoirs we are getting, and that separation also, it is very interesting to study that. What are all the things we will get from that? Crude oil and the Vaseline, then that tar what we are using, everything we will get from this one. Okay. So that process is called as, some name is there for that. How will we get all those things in different temperatures? Check, okay, from crude oil how the different things are collected. Okay, now combustion reaction, it is in the presence of oxygen. If you are heating, combustion takes place. Which one? Hydrocarbons. And I have also given that when it is combust, no, you will be getting carbon dioxide, water, heat and light. Then we have studied the difference between blue flame and yellow flame, and also about aliphatic hydrocarbons and aromatic hydrocarbons, and we have studied about coal and petroleum. Okay. The next one which is left out is oxidation reaction.